Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's a very special edition of Made of Pores Fluid Art here because this is the Christmas in July collab. This is a very special 3-day long event, which started yesterday, Saturday the 23rd. I'm kicking off today, the second day, which is Sunday the 24th, and it'll be finishing up tomorrow, Monday the 25th. There are 25 incredible artists, I believe it's 25. Forgive me if I'm off by 1 or 2 artists there. 25 incredible artists from all over the world are participating in this event, and I feel very special to get to be a part of it. So thank you so much for inviting me, Donna, and thank you so much for all of the time and energy and effort that you put into these collaborations. Be sure to check out the description so you can watch all of these other videos in this incredible collaboration. All right? Thanks so much. So I am actually have to apologize to everybody here a little bit because I've been MIA this month for the most part. I've put up a few shorts on my channel, and I've been painting, but I haven't been filming and doing the normal videos that I normally do. July is just a bit of a hard month for me. In the past, this has been a month in which I've experienced a lot of personal loss, not just once, but a few times. And always seems to happen in July. And I kind of am triggered it's like I go back into a period of mourning in July almost, where I just don't have the energy to kind of talk and share the way I normally do. But we're coming to the end of July here. I feel my energy returning to me and I've missed y'all. So I just wanted to give a little bit of an explanation and apology for where I've been MIA for a little over a month now. So I did this video a little bit differently. I usually talk while I film and kind of explain what I'm doing. This time I just painted. This is a Christmas in July collab, and I started with an existing pour, and I apologize, I don't have that video any longer of when I created the original pour. So my bad, this isn't a pouring video. This is a embellishment video basically, because I took that original pour and I created what I consider to be a magical scene. With the theme Christmas in July, I was racking my brain trying to come up with an idea, something that I would enjoy doing. And so I was thinking about it and I was suddenly struck. I was struck with inspiration, and I imagined sort of my favorite moment of Christmas. And it's been my favorite moment of Christmas, even when I was a little kid. And that is the quiet, quiet hour before the sun rises on Christmas morning. But all of the presents are under the tree and the lights are probably still twinkling a little, at least they are in this magical scene. And there's this really peaceful, calm, and also kind of this sense of like anticipation in that time. And when I was a little kid, I would always go and sneak out and try to go and check it out before anyone else woke up. And now that I'm the mom and the grown-up, I love enjoying that time. I don't have to sneak anymore, but I do still love enjoying that time. So I am going to show you the piece really quickly here, and then we're going to go into the kind of the demonstration and where I describe how I'm creating it, and then we'll go in for a final close-up at the very end, because I actually do have this piece all finished and varnished, and it's very shiny. So I want to get in close and show it to you at the very end, okay? But I will show you quickly. This is a finished piece, and I've already told my kids that this is going to be hanging on our own wall coming up every Christmas for the rest of their lives, and they should get used to it. But without further ado, let's get into the creation. All right, let's go.
So this piece here is just a straight pour that I did a long time ago. That's been sitting in my to be painted over pile for a while, and I thought the blue and the gold would work well for my idea for this piece, because I wanted to create kind of little beachy globes for my ornaments to represent the summer aspect, the July part of this Christmas in July piece. So I located my globes, which I outlined with my acrylic paint pour pen, kind of keeping that in mind with the placement. And here I'm just putting in the green and the dark background for the underneath the tree part of the painting. And I'm adding in details here. The base colors are metallic Decoart, and then these details I'm adding in are various colors. I'll put it all in the description best I can. This is Aquamarine Decoart Extreme Sheen, and I'm trying to create like a glowing effect around the orbs. And I like how it turned out in the end. I kind of built it up. It took a while. I think that's just some iridescent gold fine to try to bring in some highlights and details. Now, I've taken art classes in my life, but it's been a long time. I don't consider myself a professional artist when it comes to this kind of illustration or painting by any means, but I do have fun with it. So I hope you enjoy watching. I'm just adding some details here with my black acrylic paint pouring pen, kind of make it pop a little bit more. I love my paint pouring pens. They're fun. Now I'm coming in here with Paynes gray. I wanted to bring in shadows, and then I'm just applying it with my finger here, and I liked how it looked and went on, so I just added more shadows, depth and shadows up there with finger painting. It was fun. I highly recommend finger painting. And now I'm coming into the globes here, which I'm adding in the white lines. I'm kind of thinking it's a little bit wave-like, but I also just had fun doing that. I thought it was cool. I don't know if they look like beaches, but they feel like beaches to me. So these presents feel like almost glowing and otherworldly to me, and I really like that. It kind of feels magical the way Christmas should feel magical. And when you're a kid and you see those presents under the tree, there's a real sense of anticipation and kind of like anything's possible. And that's what those presents are. They can remind me of like endless possibility presents. That I had added too much light into the background there, and I needed to come in with some Paynes gray and darken it up again, richen it up, and I liked it much better, although I did leave that bottom corner still with that swirling light. I decided, that's like Santa Claus casting that light or something, or a magical elf. Definitely something fun over there, casting a little light in the corner. Never know what you're going to find on Christmas. And here I am adding in just the final kind of finishing touches of everything, putting silver ribbons and adding in some bows, which I didn't, again, have any reference. Like, I just was freehanding all of this out of my imagination. And came to these bows and I thought about looking up a picture of a bow, and maybe I should have, but I didn't. So these are my bows. And I think I'm adding in the details. Sorry, you can't see. I think I'm adding in the details of those ornaments up there. Putting down a second layer because it definitely needed one. You can't really tell in the video, but it really did need one. And I think this is my final kind of run through of adding in just those final details. And yeah, I believe we're coming to the end. And next up, you're going to see the final finished product. Let's go.
All right, here it is, 100% complete, and I love it. Let's come in for a close-up here. I'm all finished with this piece. I've even varnished this piece, which is very rare for me to show a varnished piece at the end of one of my videos because I am a procrastinator when it comes to varnishing. As always, thank you so much for watching. You know I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy watching acrylic pouring videos, because that is what I do here. I apologize for the glare, but what can you do when you have such a shiny, glossy piece? And be sure to check out the next artist in today's lineup. I will put a link to her video directly in first thing in the description, and that is Arts with G. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.